Hello everyone, welcome back to SG Riders. Today we are going to talk about the new Honda Activa 8G, India's most trusted and best-selling scooter, now with smarter features and a refined look. Let's start. Design and styling. The Honda Activa 8G comes with a clean and premium design. You get a modern LED headlamp, stylish front apron, and fresh color options. The build quality feels strong and solid, making it perfect for family and daily use. Engine and performance. Activa 8G is powered by a 110 cubic centimeters refined engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. The engine is silent, vibration-free, and very easy to ride in city traffic. Throttle response is smooth, making it ideal for beginners and daily commuters. Mileage and ride comfort. Mileage is one of Activa's biggest strengths. The Activa 8G offers around 45 to 50 km/L, depending on riding style and road conditions. The seat is wide, suspension is comfortable, and the scooter handles bad roads easily. Features and technology. Key features in Honda Activa 8G include Smart Key System, select variants. Silent start with ACG motor. Digital analog instrument cluster. External fuel filling. USB charging port. These features make daily riding more convenient and stress-free. Safety and practical use. For safety, you get CBS braking, stable handling, and Honda's trusted reliability. The underseat storage is practical for helmet and daily items. Outro. So this was the Honda Activa 8G, a perfect scooter for office, family, and everyday city rides. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders. Comment below and tell us, would you choose Activa 8G or not?